This is the Unit 4 matter test. Number 1, which describes a property of all elements. All elements are metals. All elements have 6 electrons. All elements are pure substances. All elements exist in the solid phase. Number 2, the teacher heats a pot of water. Once the water reaches 100 degrees Celsius, which point has the water reached? The boiling point, the melting point, the freezing point, the evaporating point. Number 3, 2 samples of gold must have the same mass, volume, length, or density. Number 4, what is the smallest particle of an element that still exhibits all the properties of that element? This is a question that's asking what is the smallest particle. It cannot be broken down any farther. An electron, an atom, a molecule, or a proton. Number 5, a beaker contains a liquid and an object. The object is floating on the water. What must be true regarding the liquid and the object seen? The liquid is denser than the object. The object is denser than the liquid. The object has more mass than the liquid. The liquid has more mass than the object. Number 6, Anita heats a beaker containing water. As the temperature of the water increases, which change to the water molecules occurs? The molecules move at a faster rate. They become more massive. The molecules expand and become wider. The molecules separate into atoms of hydrogen and oxygen. Number 7, mercury and gold are both metals. Unlike gold, mercury cannot be used to make jewelry because it is liquid at room temperature. The difference in the state of matter is an example of which type of property? Chemical, electrical, nuclear, or physical? Number 8, a student examined blocks made of different substances. The blocks all had the same length, width, and height. Which statement most likely describes the blocks? The blocks would have the same hardness. The blocks would have the same density. The blocks would have different masses. The blocks have different volumes. Number 9, appearance, texture, and density are classified as physical properties, chemical properties, magnetic properties, or thermal properties. And then number 10, Mario pours 3 different liquids into a beaker. He notices that the layers settle at different depths in the beaker. Which property of the liquids is Mario most likely studying? Density, length, mass, or volume?